I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to be showing you the 11-ounce matte finish polymer mug.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to be showing you how to sublimate to a polymer mug. This is 11 ounces. And first we're going to print with our SG500 using standard sublimation paper. We are going to be printing out of the Sawgrass print manager. And on this video, we have ganged up our images on one sheet, or you can use your mug size paper as well to gang up your, to just do a single image so you don't waste a lot of space. So it's just center job, and this is nice because it has a matte finish. You can kind of toss it around. Great for children, especially for that picnics outside.
Hot chocolate in the wintertime.
Hot chocolate in the wintertime, yeah. So this is definitely the perfect mug. And we are today also going to be using our 4-in-1 mug press. It's our BJ870 mug press that we do offer. So it does come with a 10-ounce element for water bottles and other items in that shape, 11-ounce, 16-ounce, and then 12-ounce and 7-ounce multi-elements. Okay, so again, we have ganged up our images. We're just gonna do a little trim.
All right, and then we'll fit it on there. And use the thermal tape to hold it in place. And make sure not to overlap your images on there with the tape because it could cause some discoloration. Put it in our mug press. And we're gonna press this at 320 degrees for 180 seconds. Okay, and remove this immediately. And there we go.
You have one personalized 11-ounce mug. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to check out product instructions and templates online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you.